Hello, I'm going to show you how to use your Lenny Light in a hip carry. So to get there, first watch my front carry video so you can know how to do it, how to do the adjustments, and how to start with cross strap. To do hip carries, you need to start with cross strap. There's just no choice. That's what you have to be set up as. And basically what we're going to do is we are going to loosen a little bit on each side, and we're going to bring baby to the hip we want to carry on. Shuffle, shuffle, and then you feel this strap just coming off, take it off. Bring your arm through, and you are going to guide it across your back. Guide the slack back, you tighten. Make sure this is comfortable so it's not riding in your neck, and then you can tighten from here. I recommend doing this around 3 months-ish when babies start to be a bit more nosy, the vision improve, and they want to have a bit more visibility. If they have very good head control, you can even let them have one arm out or two arms out. Give them a bit more space. If you find this is too high, the panel, just like bring it down like that, so they've got a little bit more space. Arms out is fine, just make sure that the top of the panel is at least in the armpit, and you are doing that with babies who have very good head control. If you want to feed like that, it's super handy. You just want to loosen a little bit more. So you can loosen your waist belt and loosen, remember your cross straps are opposite, and you can put baby on the breast if you are breastfeeding, so they can feed like that. As you can see, baby's nose the entire time, head and spine is aligned, and you're monitoring baby and supporting the neck up top of the shoulders. Very, very important. You can see the nose and you're watching baby very closely. If you are bottle feeding, do pretty much the same. You might want a bit more space around the shoulders, and make sure the head isn't overextended, so you've got nice amount of space between you and baby for the bottle. Again, you're monitoring, and then you have one hand on baby. When you're done, you're going to come back, retighten everything, and like that. Continue your hip carrying adventures. If you want to go back into a front carry, we're just going to reverse. Loosen, loosen, come back, and then you are going to pop your arm back in the shoulder strap, and make sure your cross is nice and away from your neck. Guide your slack and retighten everything until it's nice and comfy. Do your all your safety check. Make sure it is tight, so it should be nice and snug. That baby's in view at all times. You can always see airways and always monitor baby. Baby's here close enough to kiss the top of the head, and that you can fit 2 fingers between chin and chest, so we know the airways are nice and clear. Baby supported from knee to the nape of the neck for baby who doesn't have head control, and the spine is nicely supported. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.